everybody. Papa Blue Shirt here. You know you got it bad when you're going out when there's 50-mile-an-hour winds. But I'm going to give her a try today. It's about 60 degrees. We'll see how it goes. Oh, there's a wind advisory. And where I live, I'm down kind of in the valley, so I don't get a lot of the wind. So I look outside. Oh, it's a beautiful day. It's a nice day. The wind's hardly blowing. But then you get up on the road, it's really bad. So we'll see how it goes. Here's how many miles I have on it so far. Add 6,250 on there. So almost 6,500 miles. And we'll go for a ride. Well, it's pretty bad out here. But I think I'm gonna go down to the bottom. Maybe it won't be so windy down there. Sure is windy. Well, here's the road down to the bottom. Kind of like that other road when I went down. I had the gravel at the bottom. It's not very maintained because ain't nothing down here. Just a field. And that looks like they did some work on the side here. What happens is it gets so bad that they got to do something. Sorry about that. I was riding the front brake and I didn't want to ride the front brake going down that hill. Steep hill. Anyways, I come down that hill one day and this whole field's on fire. I'll put a link for that up above. How bad that is. I don't know. Might be able to drive through it, but it looks pretty bad. A couple cars out there, they were able to get through, or looks like they're trucks, can't tell. Somewhere here. But I don't know. It's kind of a thing, once you start you can't stop. Well, I think I'm going to turn around because I don't want to get all muddy today. Never know, it looks pretty bad. I know, I'm a wimp. I'm a wimp. I don't want to get muddy. The ruts look pretty deep through there. End up hitting pedals and end up knee deep in mud. It's not what I want to do today, so I'm gonna turn around. Plus, if I have a flat down here, I'm walking all the way out. My wife won't come down here with a car. So, I'd rather err on the side of caution. It's kind of hazardous trying to do this with a camera in my hand. I had some really nice days. I'm kind of surprised it's this bad down here. Usually it dries out pretty fast. But it isn't, so I'm not going to take a chance. We'll ride back up this road here. But like I said, the wind's not as bad down here. I knew it was going to be like that. But we'll go back up and we'll battle the wind. Let's see out in the field there. A lot of debris from the tornado. And we're probably 5 miles from the impact zone here. An idea how far the debris field went. Long way. Piece of metal hanging in the tree right there. Yeah, but now I gotta make it up this hill, so gonna take all I got to get up there. Yeah, it must be getting stronger because it's easier to get up these hills anymore. Back on the road. Back on the road again. Riding with the wind now, so it's pretty easy. Pretty easy. expecting the guy to be on the back. Oh, that wind's making my beard go crazy. I was expecting the guy to be on the back. Here they snuck up behind me. Oh. Listen up. How loud those frogs are. Another piece of metal up there. Strode everywhere. Listen to those frogs. Boy, they're loud. Nice hills that go down here. Audio might be bad because it's so windy. And then we'll go underneath the railroad bridge here. And we'll hear all the frogs again. More debris in the field out there. Frog paradise. I fully expected to see the train here because I come from the other direction. Shouldn't have had time. Shouldn't have had time to come this far. And I didn't see him back up. See that road right down there is where I was at. That is so weird. How does he hide the whole train? I just rode it probably 2 or 3 miles and turned around, come back, and the train's gone. That is so weird. Then we went 13.2 miles. That was 254. I was really surprised that train was gone already. I only went a couple miles beyond, come back. He had to go that way and go around the corner. I figured he was going to fix the hose and back up and get whatever the problem was. But it's pretty impressive that he can brake almost right to, he didn't just tap the brakes this once that I could hear and ended up almost right where he needed to be. Pretty impressive. All right, this is Papa Bouchard. Thanks for watching.